Hello and welcome to IIT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about Google to build 1 GW data center in Vizag, launching India's first AI city. Hello and welcome to IIT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about Google to build 1 GW data center in Vizag, launching India's first AI city. Sridhar Vembu Praises Mappls, India's homegrown navigation app. Zoho co-founder Sridhar Vembu praised Map My India's navigation app, Mappls, calling it very nice and a result of decades of R&D, much longer than Google Maps. His remarks followed Minister Ashwini Vaishnao's demonstration of Mappls 3D navigation, door-level accuracy, and multi-level building mapping. Vaishnaw also announced a planned MOU between the government and Map My India to integrate GIS tech in railways. With over 35 million downloads, Mappls promotes Swadeshi innovation through features like Junction View, DigiPin, toll estimates, and real-time traffic updates. Google expands Nano Banana AI model across search and lens. Google is extending its Gemini Nano Banana AI model, known for lifelike and creative image generation, from the Gemini app to Google Search and Lens. Rolling out via AI Mode Search Lab on Android in the US, it introduces a new Create Images option and a banana marked Create tab for selfies and edits. Users can now generate or modify visuals directly within Google Apps, with each image watermarked with the Gemini Spark. The update aims to unify Google's generative AI tools across its ecosystem. Apple shifts focus from Vision Air to smart glasses. Apple is pivoting from its Vision Air headset concept to developing Meta-like smart glasses. This strategic shift indicates that Apple no longer views the fully enclosed headset approach as a viable mass market platform. The company is now focusing on creating lightweight, display embedded glasses that offer a more seamless and integrated user experience. This move aligns with Apple's broader strategy to enhance its product ecosystem and compete more effectively in the augmented reality space. WhatsApp iPad to get Mac-style sidebar for easier navigation. WhatsApp is developing a Mac-style vertical sidebar for iPad, aiming to improve navigation and make better use of larger screens. The sidebar will consolidate chats, calls, communities, and settings into a single column, replacing the current bottom tab bar designed for iPhones. Optimized for landscape orientation, it offers a visually balanced and organized interface and can be expanded in future updates with new shortcuts. The feature is still in development with no confirmed release date, while WhatsApp continues refining the experience before rollout. Spotify integrates with ChatGPT for personalized music experience. Spotify users can now connect their accounts to ChatGPT, enabling the AI assistant to create playlists, offer song and podcast recommendations, and control playback across web and mobile. By accessing users' listening history like songs and top artists, ChatGPT personalizes suggestions for moods, occasions, or fun prompts. Users can also manage their library, follow artists, and create private playlists. Available in 145 countries for free, Plus, and Pro users, premium subscribers can receive fully personalized track selections, while all music and podcasts remain secure. Today's iTool is Producer.ai, revolutionizing AI-assisted video production. Producer.ai, developed by Live Arena Technologies AB, is an AI-driven platform designed to automate and enhance live video production, particularly within Microsoft Teams. It enables users to create professional quality broadcasts, presentations, and meetings without the need for extensive technical expertise. By leveraging the neural processing unit (NPU) capabilities of AI PCs, Producer.ai processes and executes decisions locally, ensuring real-time, high-quality production. The platform offers features like customizable layouts, branding, and seamless video playback, making it accessible to everyone regardless of budget or technical know-how. Our lead story is about Google to build 1 GW data center in Vizag, launching India's first AI city. The Andhra Pradesh government will sign an agreement with Google to develop a 1 gigawatt hyperscale data center in Visakhapatnam, marking a near $10 billion 80,000 crore investment for AI city Vizag. The hub will combine AI infrastructure, clean energy, fiber optic networks, and plug and play facilities, positioning Vizag as a center for AI-driven transformation. The project is expected to generate 1.88 lakh jobs annually and contribute our 47,720 crore over 5 years. Google Cloud's full AI stack will support advanced applications and emerging technologies. Our lead story is about Google to build 1 GW. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.